So of all things, I want to review this pen which I bought again from banggood.com, this Chinese site. You pay them online, the item comes to you in a short while. So guess what's the price of this pen? It looks solid. It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy, and it's got a very strong metallic feel to it. It's not plasticky. It's not plasticky. Nib is good. I read some reviews that says that it leaks all the time. I kind of like the look online, so I decided to buy it. So far, my pen has not started leaking as yet. So this is what the pen looks like inside. Simple. It has this device to pump in the ink, and yeah, very simple, but it has a nice feel to it. Uh, as I was saying, it comes from banggood.com. The price 450 or something thereabout, 450 Indian rupees. That includes postage. The first time I bought it, postage was free. The second time I saw them adding a little bit on the postage, but still it comes in 7 days, so no complaints. Um, Good feel to it. This is what it writes like. Sorry if it's come in reverse, but yeah, I I I liked the feel it had. I liked how it balanced in my hand. I think that I'm no expert on pens, but I do enjoy using a good nib pen, and many youngsters find it pretty strange that I'm still using a nib pen. Like this was my older one, which was gifted to me by one of our authors, and I liked it quite a lot. And I was wondering what would happen after this ended, so I wanted to give myself a present, and this is the one I got. To rate it on a range of 10, as of now, good 6, 7, 7.5. I don't think I would get this quality in the Indian market, not yet at least. So that's it for now.